We all know that brushing our teeth and flossing are good hygiene practices to keep us healthy. But what about mental hygiene?
Mental hygiene really is the same as if we think of dental hygiene. It's taking care of our mental health.
Psychologist Dr. Jaime Zuckerman says we should make our mental hygiene practices a priority. And she has a few good mental hygiene tips to help us out. Starting with, mind your stress.
People have a really hard time being objective to their stress. They miss kind of red flags.
Dr. Zuckerman says dismissing our mental state can lead to major mental pitfalls.
They're not aware of what triggers them. So that definitely can contribute to an increase in anxiety and an increase in depression.
Learning to identify when you've become more than just stressed is vital. Otherwise,
what ends up happening is they'll start to use cognitive strategies like worry, like rumination, which then affects sleep and which affects concentration and attention.
Next up, avoid toxic positivity.
It'll get better. It's not that bad. You should smile. Those are really invalidating statements for people that are stressed or are anxious.
Losing our job, our house, a loved one. Life has a way of throwing heavy mental challenges at us, but Dr. Zuckerman says toxic positivity won't lighten that load.
These efforts to make everything feel better right away is really what sets us up for failure.
As it turns out, the mantra, "Don't worry, be happy," can be doing more harm than good when it comes to our mental hygiene. Our goal shouldn't be to change our mood on the surface, but instead,
it should be to sit with our discomfort until it passes.
And finally, only carry what you can.
We actually do better when we are not codependent, but interdependent.
Our to-do list driven lifestyle can take a toll on us mentally.
It's okay to not take everything on. It's okay to manage your expectations. It's okay to lower your expectations.
And more importantly, don't pressure yourself to do it all alone.
It's such a critical thing to learn to delegate, to learn to let things go, not trying to control everything so much.
Managing matters of the mind so you can keep your mind on what matters.